Hello crafters, welcome to Creator.Wigi and today's video. Today is another design team video from MemoMania.com. I'm going to be using the Brenda'S Botanical'S, which is a newer stamp set from Memo, one of the larger ones. It's 8x10 I believe. Let me just give you the measurement, 6x8. Yep, 6x8. It comes with Christmas, friends, family, autumn is better with, hello, enjoy. So you could do autumn is better with family, autumn is better with friends, Christmas is better with family, you know, and those type of things. You've got a lovely fence image. You've got some sunflowers which you can transform to poinsettias, which I did in a card, or on a card, and I can't find it. You've got some holly leaves and some hanging ornaments on this image, and then down here you have some oak leaves. Really bad glare, I do apologise. Some oak leaves and pine cones. Nope. Acorns. So I'm going to work on a card. Now this stamp set arrived and I've just been playing with it a lot. See, there's the kind of poinsettia look, and I've really enjoyed, you know, working with it, especially on brown cardstock. I think it looks really nice, and I've been using my Spectrum Noir pens. So we're going to do a 6x6 card, and I think I'm going to do an autumnal one. You can obviously do Christmas because it does lean towards that, as it is multi-seasonal, which is lovely. It's always nice to have stamp sets where they cross more than one season. So I'm going to use my Fisker's press, but on the right side, Gareth, which is also available from MemoMania.com. My Memento ink. Now I've recently re-inked this, so it's not covering as it should, as you can see by the middle there. Okay, and I'm going to have you, just move you out of the way. I'm going to have you at the top. Oh, and I've just put ink all over my fingers, and that's on my cardstock. So I'm going to turn you over and use the other side. Okay, so we're going to go here. And as you can see, look, I didn't get it quite right in the middle there, but that is down to my ink pad and not the stamp, because I've stamped this image out numerous times and it stamps out absolutely beautifully. And I'm going to do the same on the bottom here. Okay, and I'm just going to heat set that ink with my heat tool, and we're going to use my Spectrum Noirs. Now this colour I'm using is smoked quartz, and I'm going to put some smoked quartz on the acorns and the acorn tops, and on the branches. And then using a watercolor pen, I'm going to spread that color out. I'm not using watercolor paper, just so you know, so my paper may buckle in places, but as I've used this particular paper before, it hasn't buckled, so I'm hoping that it stays the same, that it doesn't buckle too much. Just moving the colour around. Let's move on to the green. As you can see, I'm not being, you know, 100% neat. You know, I'm coming out of the lines. It's kind of the flowiness that I'm looking for with this particular card design. Okay, and then I've got a paint tray here. I'm just going to put some of the Spectrum Noir in the paint tray, and I'm just going to lightly kind of, you know, I say lightly and I've just gone really heavily there, but that's no biggie. Just put more paint, more water on my brush, bring it down, smooth it out. I'm even going to put in a bit of red, I think. Just to give the back, right, so instead of it being the stark white, I'm giving it a bit of interest. Well, I think I am anyway. You may not, crafters. Okay, let's just dry that. Just need to put in a bit of colour into the middle here. Put a bit of red in. And that's the berry red. Paper is starting to slightly buckle, which is no problem. I'm just going to go over it with a wet one, which takes off some of the colour and any of the imperfections. Because I'm using the Spectrum's Noir sparkle paints, it gives the whole sheet a nice little sparkle. Okay, if it's bent up too much, then obviously you can put it under some books, just to flatten it out a bit more. Again, it's all personal preference. Okay, I've got a few of these enamel dots left, so I'm going to pop those willy-nilly over my card base. I'm going to think about what sentiment I want. Now, I want to use the autumn is better with family. I'm going to put that on my stamp block here. So autumn is better with, and I'm probably going to have to do this all separately. I'm going to use the Spectrum the Memento black ink. So autumn is better with, but this is designed to go so it overlaps almost. So you get that. Autumn is better with family. I'm going to use the ampersand from another one of my Meme stamp sets, and that is the what's this one called? Thankful, Grateful and Blessed. I'm going to use the ampersand so I can do friends and family. Or family and friends, I should say. Okay, and then I have a gold glitter pen here, and I'm just going to add, kind of mimic the swirls and things that are already in this particular stamp set. I'm going to colour this in the ampersand, if I can get a gold pen that works, that is. And I'm just going to go over the top of these swirls and add some of my own. Okay, crafters, so that's now on my card base, and I really love this new stamp set, and I love how, you know, I don't know how well the sparkle is going to translate onto camera, but this the flowiness of this stamp set really lends itself to colouring and watercolouring. I've really enjoyed kind of playing with it. This is kind of the feel that I was going for. It looks lovely on brown cardstock, but you can get it to look really nice on white cardstock as well. So there we go, really enjoyed it. It's a lovely stamp set. Head over to memomadeit.com to get yours, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now, bye bye.